AI is going to be replacing jobs, but let me tell you one thing why network marketing is secretly winning. We're going to go over three things of why I think you could win in network marketing. Specifically, I'm going to be talking about PM International, the company that I partnered up, which is #1 in premium nutritional supplements and holistic skincare. But if you don't know, hello, my name is Olivia. I help the multicultural, multi-ethnic to brand on social media and to make money. So if that is you and you're looking to brand and to make money, to leave a legacy for your family, you feel like you're a stranger in your own country, and you want to be able to stand out and do something where you can learn some skills and you can travel from and with your phone as long as you have Wi-Fi, then absolutely you should find a link somewhere in the description box. Okay, so if I look here on the side, just because I took some notes, and I want to go over the fact that AI it's a lot of people are going to lose their jobs, right? Now, AI will be replacing it, but there's one thing they cannot replace, which is the first topic that I want to talk about is, before I jump into it, the reality is we're in this new fast pace. I'm not saying AI is not bad. We can use it into our everyday, like using ChatGPT to, automating messages, something that feels like also natural, unique, also, last time I went was like, how can I make pancakes in a special way that I wanted to? Actually, no, it was a French dish, quiche au saumon. So we have in quiche Lorraine that we have in France, a very specific dish. And I wanted to know, like, what should I add if I just added salmon in there? AI helped me very fast to be able to do it. So it's understanding how you can use AI and giving it your own touch. So reality is companies are going to be downsizing. Reality is that the job that you had for X amount of years may not need you anymore because they're going to be automating it. And some skills won't need to be there anymore. And so in order for you to stand out, there is one core thing that people will need from you and that they cannot replace is trust. I trust people that show up because there's a human connection. There's something there that you bought maybe from Rihanna. You bought maybe her, her lipstick or her lingerie line or her perfume line or whatever. You bought something that was in collaboration with her, and automatically you were like, oh, wow. Then, but you don't know the person. But because you see the person, you see yourself in there, that is what automatically changes, right? Relationships is thing that people value. Like I value community. I do CrossFit, right? And so with CrossFit, I tend to, there's a whole community part of why I like CrossFit, why I do CrossFit, why I wake up at 6 a.m. and I go and put in a workout is because I feel that there's a community when I go there. I feel like I'm at home. Just like when I talk to you, for example, about my drinks, right? Oh, maybe not this one, but like the supplements, I have somebody that bought from me, didn't necessarily know me, but trusted me because they saw me talk about it daily. And so automatically they bought it from me, right? It's always about the momentum. It's always about the whole thing all the time, right? And so people buy from people that they know, love, and trust. People buy from people that they have maybe an opinion. There's maybe something affiliated, like connected. There's your personal brand. What do you stand for? What is it that when people think of you, whoever is watching, like when they think of you, Clara, Sasha, Maurizio, Vincenzo, Karim, Fatima, like what do they think when they think of you? What is it? And so automatically, that's where the personal branding is, but that comes when you show up online, when you show up daily talking about the same thing all the time, right? But because there's also this human connection where we can build, where we can storytell, that is where it really holds. And one of the reasons why network marketing is absolutely going to crush it is because it's human led. You wouldn't buy from me if you didn't know who I am, right? Or maybe you did because you saw some content, you're like, I kind of like that girl, so I'm going to follow this person, right? Or at the gym or wherever I meet. So it's always because with network marketing, it's low overhead. You start a business with 100 pounds, 110, right? And you get a whole back office of your own personal link. You can learn that you can earn commission directly. You can, you get tools, skills, and you grow at your level, right? There's also, I said trainings, there's gather up, there's meetups. It's a low cost investment. Now, of course, did I say we're going to make $1 million in a week? No. Like there's skills that are involved. There's like leverage, right? But the skills that you didn't learn in your 9 to 5 because they didn't want to promote you because apparently you didn't have the skill set to elevate, Here, nobody cares about your background. They don't care if you're white, you're black, you're Tunisian, you're Arabic, you're Chinese, you're Muslim. Nobody cares. I care about the person that's on the other side. And so if you can understand that and add that into your every single day, automatically it shifts. Now, you probably would be telling me, okay, well, that's cool, but then why PM International? Well, we did 4 billion last year in terms of turnover, right? Also, it's premium nutritional supplements that fuel on a steady level. So you're going to feel the product within minutes, right? I still remember because I have a friend. We have this new product that came out. So we have the creatine that came out, and she was like, "Look, I'm not really I don't really use creatine much, so I'm not going to be consistent with it. But with the red pot, the one that I always talk about, that unfortunately I just don't have right now, she was like, that I'm consistent because I feel the energy, I feel the focus. I know I can. I still also burns the fat. Like it helps with my workouts, and it's real consumption and using the product. It's not hype, right? It's a German product. German been on the market for like 30 years. The income, like how you get paid, is ruled by a court. So like science-backed product. I don't know what the product has inside. I even went to the science guy. I was like, dude, why is the creatine like so high? Like I don't know why it does. Like I don't care as long as it helps me, and I've seen that my performance has been much better. I've seen that I've been able to work out in a manner, in a way that has just improved my performance. So I'm not talking to you about a trend. This has been going on for years. Like network marketing, direct selling has been on for more than 30 years. It's the best way for you to grow skills at the level that you desire and as fast as you want. And so if that's something foreign, you're looking for a place where you can build, you're looking for a place where you can have a system, a community that holds you, that gets you to the other side, then absolutely drop me whatever. It should be #hybrid. If not, on IG and Facebook, you can definitely message me and let's get you started, because for things to change, you got to change. But if you're looking for a cash flow, a way where you can earn on commission and grow at your level, then absolutely. But AI will absolutely not, will replace jobs, will absolutely not replace the one thing that we all have, which is human connection. And I will definitely be the one leading that, the multicultural, the multi-ethnic. So if that is you, absolutely, let's get you started. Remember, be you, do you. The world does not dictate who you are, but you dictate the world. See you later.